Good morning, YouTube. Today we are making a decadent, rich, and delicious corn pudding because we can. All right, let's cook, y'all. We got a family to feed. All right, let's make some corn pudding. Love this stuff. Absolutely love it. All right, so to start out with, I've got 4 eggs, right? And I'm just gonna whisk those up a little bit. And then back here, I've got 2 cups of half and half. If you wanted to, you could use a little bit of whole milk. That'd be fine. All right, so whisk up our eggs. And I'm actually gonna transfer over here so y'all can see a little better what I'm doing, because we're gonna get messy if I keep tilting my container over. Ah! All right, and then we're just throwing in half and half. We're stirring that up. Here we go. All right, now to this, we're gonna add our seasoning. So I've got a good teaspoon and a half of kosher salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. And I've got 2 tablespoons of fresh thyme that I've minced up. Couldn't remember what that was. And 2 tablespoons of fresh chives that I've minced up. Those don't want to come out. And half of a yellow onion. That goes in here. And finally, 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to give us some thickness and some body. All that gets stirred together. Now, back here real quick, I'm going to coarsely chop. Well, if I get plugged in, there we go. I'm going to coarsely chop. This is 3 cans, 14-ounce cans of corn that I just drained. And you don't want to mush it too much. You don't want it super fine. You do want it like that. If I put it all in here, whoop. Which way does this look supposed to go? Does it go this way? There we go. If you put it all in at once and try to do it, the corn on the bottom will turn to liquid. Stuff on top won't be chopped at all. So that's it. There we go. And this goes right into our mixture. With the half and half and the eggs and the flour and the seasonings. Oh! Got it ready and almost forgot about it. 8 ounces of Swiss cheese. You can use Gruyere. Emmentaler. It's delicious. This is just plain old Swiss cheese from the grocery store though. 8 ounces, and I ran it through box grater. All right. Almost have too much in here, don't I? Got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Did I? Is it preheated? It's almost ready. And then I have a casserole dish that I just buttered. And, shoo, that got heavy, y'all. I got that little wad stuck right in the middle, don't I? Okay, so 350 degrees. It's gonna take another couple minutes. I guess I didn't start preheating quite as early as I should have, so we're not quite there yet. But we are gonna throw that in the oven, and we're probably gonna let it go 45 to 50 minutes. I'll be back and show you what it looks like. Okay, perfect. We have had 50 minutes in the oven. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Da-da. How about them apples? It has risen just a little bit. It smells amazing. Turn off my oven. And we're gonna see how I did. Love it. Love it. Check that out. Is it gonna... Too close? That, y'all, is perfect. It is creamy, it is rich, it is cheesy, the flavor is amazing. That is how you make corn pudding. You need to try this one, y'all. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, and if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.